Hi dear students, this class we are going to discuss how to find the solution for the homogeneous differential equations. Before going to discuss about homogeneous differential equations, first of all we will discuss what is a homogeneous function. So a function f of x comma y is said to be a homogeneous function if f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to lambda power n into f of x comma y. Then the function is said to be a homogeneous function of degree n. Suppose you see here f of x is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Just by observing the equation itself we can say it is a homogeneous function of degree 2. Power is 2. Here power 1 plus 1 2. Here also power 2. It is a homogeneous function of degree 2. Observe there, find out f of lambda x comma lambda y. Then what we will get f of lambda x comma lambda y here? We will get lambda square x square plus 2 into lambda x into lambda y. Wherever x is there we are writing lambda x. Wherever y is there we are writing lambda y. And then lambda square into y square. Now if you take lambda square common, we will get x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now this is nothing but lambda square into f of x comma y. So that's why this function is said to be a homogeneous function of degree 2. Now what about the homogeneous differential equation? A differential equation is said to be a homogeneous differential equation if f and g are homogeneous functions of same degree. It is a homogeneous function of degree 2 means this is also a homogeneous function of degree 2. Then this equation is said to be a homogeneous differential equation. Right? So dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y. These two are homogeneous functions of same degree. Then it is said to be a homogeneous differential equation. Now this homogeneous differential equation we can convert into dy by dx is equals to f of y by x form, or if we are writing in another way, dx by dy is equals to, we can convert into g of x comma y form. So this equation we can convert either into this form or in this form. For finding the solution of the homogeneous differential equation, what we are going to do is, in this case we are going to take the substitution as y is equals to vx. Whenever we are taking y is equals to vx, then dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. We are applying UV rule. V into x differentiation is 1 plus x into v differentiation is dv by dx. This type of substitution we are going to do in this case. Then the equation is converted into the earlier form. Earlier form means by the method of variable separable method we can do it. Suppose when the equation is in this form, dx by dy is equal to g of x comma y, then what we will do? We will take the substitution as x is equals to vy. Then we will get dx by dy is equals to v plus y into dv by dy. So that is the way we are going to follow to solve the homogeneous differential equations, right? So when the differential equation is in this form, we are going to take the substitution as y is equals to vx. Whenever we are taking y is equals to vx, immediately dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. Suppose an equation is in this form, dx by dy is equals to g of x comma x by y. Then we are going to take the substitution as x is equals to vy, then dx by dy is equals to v plus y into dv by dy. Both sides we are differentiating with respect to y. Okay, so that is the way of solving the homogeneous differential equations. Just I am going to discuss few applications based on this homogeneous differential equations. Let us participate. The first question is given in this way. The first question is x square plus xy into dy is equals to x square plus y square into dx. Because in 12th board exams they are asking the question in such a way, show that this is a homogeneous differential equation and hence solve it completely. That means he is asking to show it is a homogeneous differential equation also. Then how to show? Observe here. The given equation we can write it as dy by dx is equals to dy by dx is equals to x square plus y square divided by x square plus xy. By observation it is very clear as a homogeneous differential equations. Observe, numerator is power 2, here also power 2. Denominator also you can observe power 2, here power 1 plus 1 is 2. Numerator and denominator both are homogeneous functions of same degree. But how to show it is a homogeneous differential equation, that I am going to show. Observe here. Now I am considering f of x comma y is equals to x square plus y square divided by x square plus xy. Now find out f of kx comma ky. That means in place of x we have to write kx, in place of y we have to write ky. Then what we will get? That is k square x square plus k square y square divided by k square x square plus kx into ky. Now numerator we can take a k square common, we will get x square plus y square. Denominator also we can take k square common, we will get x square plus xy. K square cancel, we are getting this one as f of x comma y. So f of kx comma ky is equal to f of x comma y. So we can say the given differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation. Once you know it is a homogeneous differential equation, how to solve? We have to take the substitution as y is equals to vx. So we are taking the substitution as y is equals to vx. Then dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. That's what we are going to do here. Come on, because of this substitution, how this equation changes? V plus x into dv by dx is equals to x square plus v square into x square, because y is equals to vx substitution, plus x square plus x into, in place of y we are substituting vx. Now this equation changes as v plus x into dv by dx is equals to 1 plus v square divided by 1 plus v. Numerator and denominator x square gets cancelled. Now we can write further this simplification as x into dv by dx is equals to 1 plus v square minus v square divided by 1 plus v. Plus v square minus v square cancel, nothing added. This v shifted to that side, taken LCM. After LCM, this is the step we got. Now we got the information x into dv by dx is equals to 1 minus v divided by 1 plus v. Now you can do this one by the method of variable separable. That's what I am doing. Observe here. V plus 1 divided by v minus 1 into dv is equals to minus dx divided by x. So separation of the variables. Now integrate both sides. So that we can write it as v minus 1 plus 2 divided by v minus 1 dv is equals to minus dx by x. Now this is equals to v minus 1, v minus 1 cancel. We will get integration of dv plus 2 into 1 by v minus 1 into dv is equals to minus integration of dx by x. Now integration of dv is v plus 2 into 1 by v minus 1 integration log mod v minus 1 is equals to minus log mod x plus the constant of integration. Now in place of v, what we have to write? In place of v we have to write y by x. So write down in place of v y by x. Y by x plus 2 into logarithm of y by x minus 1 is equals to minus log mod x plus the constant of integration. That is the solution for the given homogeneous differential equation. First of all, we showed it is a homogeneous differential equation. After showing it is a homogeneous differential equation, we solved the equation completely. So another question we can discuss here, the homogeneous differential equation. This is the question given: x dy minus y dx is equals to a square root of x square plus y square into dx. That is the question. Now I am writing here x into dy is equals to y plus root of x square plus y square into dx. Right? Shifted to that side, taken dx common. Now I can write dy by dx is equals to y plus root of x square plus y square divided by x. Very clear. Numerator is a homogeneous function of degree 1 because here x square will come outside as x. Numerator is a homogeneous function of degree 1. Denominator also homogeneous function of degree 1. So it is a homogeneous differential equation. We can solve by taking the substitution as y is equals to vx. Whenever we are taking y is equals to vx, we have to write dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. I hope so you can proceed comfortably now. This is equals to v plus x into dv by dx is equals to v plus a root of, right, 1 plus v square. Clear? Because in place of y I written vx, here also v square x square, taken x square common will come outside as x. Here also x taken common, cancel. Now both sides we can cancel v. Now we can separate the variables. We can write this one as dv by root of 1 plus v square is equals to dx by x. Separation of the variables. Now you can do integration. 1 by root of 1 plus x square integration is log of mod v plus root of 1 plus v square is equals to logarithm of mod x plus the constant of integration. Sir, why you are taking constant also log c? Because here logarithm, here also there is an involvement of logarithm. So that's why constant also we are taking log c means so that we can eliminate the logarithm. That is the reason. Now in place of v, what we have to write? Y by x. That's why y by x plus root of 1 plus y square divided by x square is equals to cx. Right? Log m plus log n. Now I can write further this one as y plus root of x square plus y square is equals to cx square. There ends the matter. That is the way of finding the solution for the given homogeneous differential equation. Let's have a discussion of another question here. The another question is given in this way: 1 plus e to the power of x by y. Observe here we are getting in the form of x by y. Dx is equals to e to the power of x by y into 1 minus x by y dy plus is equals to 0. 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy. Now this can be written as dx by dy, right? dx by dy is equals to e to the power of x by y into x by y minus 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power of x by y. Clear? Now I am taking the substitution because it is also a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, we have to take the substitution here. X is equals to Vy. So that is the reason what we can write dx by dy is equals to V plus y into dv by dy. We are differentiating with respect to y. Now the question changes as V plus y into dv by dy, right, is equals to e to the power of v into v minus 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power of v. Wherever x is there, in place of x I written vy. That's why we got this step. Now we can write further this one as y into dv by dy is equals to v into e to the power of v minus e to the power of v minus v into e to the power of v divided by 1 plus e to the power of v. This v shifted to that side. After LCM, this is the simplification we got. Now v into e power v into e power v cancel. So now we can do by variable separable method. E to the power of v plus 1 divided by v plus e to the power of v into dv is equals to minus, because I taken minus common, minus of v plus e power v. That's why minus dy by y. So variables separated. Now we can do integration. Now can you say denominator differentiation is there in the numerator? That's why we can write logarithm of denominator v plus e to the power of v is equals to minus logarithm of mod y plus the constant of integration. Also better to take log c so that we can remove logarithm both sides. Now we can write this one as v plus e to the power of v is equal to c by y, because here log m minus log n, log of m by n, both sides logarithm removed. Then we got this one. Now in place of v, what we have to write? In place of v we have to write x by y plus e to the power of x by y is equals to c. If you take c by y. Now if you take LCM, x plus y into e to the power of x by y is equals to the constant of integration. So that is the way of solving the homogeneous differential equations. So I will discuss one more question where for the homogeneous differential equation to find the particular solution. You know, particular solution means they have to give the initial value problem they have to give. That means initial conditions they have to give. So this is the question. Another one, x into sin square y by x into sin square y by x minus y into dx plus x dy is equals to 0. Okay, so conditions given as y is equals to pi by 4 when x is equals to 1. So like that condition given. Okay, right. Observe here now, this can be written as x into dy by dx we are finding. So dy by dx is equals to y minus x into sin square y by x. Yes or no? Shifted to that side. Y minus x into sin square y by x divided by x. Yes, it is a homogeneous differential equation. Y power is 1, x power is 1, here power 1, x power 1. Numerator is a homogeneous function of degree 1. Denominator also homogeneous function of degree 1. So it is a homogeneous differential equation. To solve this homogeneous differential equation, we have to take the substitution as y is equal to vx. So that's why v plus x into dv by dx is equals to vx minus x into sin square v divided by x. Wherever y is there, in place of y I substituted vx. Now this further simplification we can write v plus x into dv by dx is equals to v minus sin square v. Now both sides v gets cancelled. We are getting minus cosecant square v dv is equals to dx divided by x. Variables separated. Now integrate both sides. You know cosecant square v integration minus cot v. But here we have minus cosecant square v is there. That's why we can write cot v is equals to log mod x plus, take the constant of integration also, log c. Whether you are taking log c or plus c we are taking, it makes no difference here because this side logarithm is not there. So now I can write this one as cot y by x, right? So cot y by x is equals to, come on, you will get logarithm of cx, right? But what is condition given? We have to find out the particular solution. To find the particular solution, x is equals to 1 and y is equal to pi by 4, substitute here. In place of y pi by 4, x is equal to 1, left hand side becomes 1, whereas right hand side what happens? X is equal to 1 means you will get log c. As I told earlier also, whenever I am writing logarithm of c means its meaning is ln x, natural logarithm. That's why from this we are getting the value of c is equal to a. Log a is equals to 1. Because here base is already e only, natural logarithm. So that's why the value of c is equal to e we got. Now the solution, that is the particular solution, cot y by x is equals to log ex. That is the particular solution for the given differential equation. So that is the way of discussion of homogeneous differential equation. Next class I am going to discuss how to reduce the equations into a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, bye bye.